get all your ingredients together. I've got mine all gathered up. And like I always say, let's get cooking. Our pasta I have cooked, the pasta to al dente. Add about a tablespoon of your dressing and toss it up. And then we're just gonna let it sit. And the reason we do this is so that the pasta kind of absorbs some of the dressing. And then we're gonna set that aside. Now the fun part, we've got a bunch of vegetables. So there are going to be 3 of our vegetables that we are going to be roasting in the oven. That's going to be our red pepper, our orange pepper, and our onion. So we are going to cut those up. Then we're going to take a cookie sheet that's lined with a piece of parchment paper. We're going to put all the vegetables, spread them all out. We're going to take some regular old Italian seasoning. Drizzle of olive oil. And this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will go in halfway through and just kind of stir up my vegetables so they are, spread them out again. And then once those cool, then we'll be combining everything up and putting our salad together. Hi everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the Happiest cook. This salad in particular has fresh ingredients and even has some ready-made ingredients that make it really quick and really easy, which in my book is a winner every time. Okay, while the vegetables are in roasting, I'm going to go ahead and get my tomatoes halved. Olives, thank God they come all halved. So we've got all of the rest of our ingredients, and we will wait for the vegetables. Our vegetables are all roasted, and I've got them sitting here next to my broccoli florets, all ready to go in our salad. I have my tomatoes, of course, they're all cut. Everything's cut, so I say let's put it together. All right, so we're going to put in all the vegetables. I'm going to put in our tomatoes and our olives. We have about another tablespoon of our dressing. You can always serve dressing on the table if people want more. And, of course, our Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to toss all this together. That is a beautiful salad with all the bright colors that remind you of butterflies. Now, last thing to go in is the bacon. Just kind of put that in like that. give it a little shake of pepper. That is our salad all complete. I hope you had a really good time today. It was a little different, not a lot of cooking, but sometimes cooking doesn't mean just standing over a stove. Fresh vegetables, pasta, cheese, all of those things, especially now that we're going into spring and summer, these are at my table a lot. So, I will see you next week here with the Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep cooking. Bye.